1246D is designed based on our 12 years experience of rigid box machine manufacturing. Compared to other models on the market, 1246D has higher speed and biggest size range up to 400, 600, and 120 mm. Under stable performance, it can produce 45 boxes per minute. Its automatic setting feature greatly simplifies each step of setting. Operators only need to input size of cover paper and size of box. Machine setup will be automatically finished by computer. In the paper feeding system, we use Panasonic servo motor to drive the cam system. This ensures the high speed and accurate feeding. In the gluing section, we apply special anti-leaking system to successfully avoid glue leaking and glue wasting. This is our corner pasting section. We apply non-stop stacking system to ensure the continuous feeding of corner pasting. Our CCD positioning system requires only 7 minutes for setting. This system has 2 fixed driven cameras, which doesn't need to be moved during machine setting from small sizes to big sizes. There are 2 forming stations at the end of machine to finish final box forming. They are built with very strong materials. Even under high-speed running, machine will not shake. More importantly, we use the same air pressing plate and tuck-in blade. We don't need to change any components for different size setting. We use the same air pressing plate and tuck-in blade for all the sizes. The only thing we need to do is to input the measurement of box on the computer and install the mold. This will save a lot of time for the operators. In general, this is a model suitable for all kinds of rigid boxes. It is suitable for both long-run and short-run orders because of the simple setting and high speed.